Connected by fiber, foresee the future. Hello, this is Sophia from Hong Kong Hongsurf Limited. Welcome to my channel. Whether in the optical fiber network construction stage or maintenance stage, how to quickly and efficiently strip off the starch, sheath, and armor of the optical cable has always been a difficult problem for everyone. Today, let's talk about super stripping gadget, optical cable cutter. Optical cable cutter. It is a tool for quickly stripping the sheath and armor of optical cables. There are usually two types of optical cable cutters, transverse cable cutter and longitudinal cable cutter. How does the transverse cable cutter work? Fix the optical cable, then adjust the applicable depth of the single-sided blade according to the thickness of the cable sheath, and rotate the cable cutter 360 degrees in one direction to strip the cable transversely. Longitudinal cable cutter. When stripping the cable, use the cutter to clamp the optical cable. Hold it with both hands and pull it to the length you want to strip. Besides the single transverse cable cutter and the single longitudinal cable cutter, there is also transverse and longitudinal cable cutter. Whether transverse cable cutter or longitudinal cable cutter, they can strip any type of optical cable. But if the optical cable is working online, we suggest you use longitudinal cable cutter. Moreover, longitudinal cable cutter can work at any part of the optical cable. Okay, above is the whole content of lesson 11. This is Sophia. Follow me. In the next lesson, we will talk about drop cable stripping tool. See you!